Welcome to DIY Tech.
Wi-Fi not working on my phone, but working on other devices. Fix 1. Reset network settings. Now go to your phone settings and scroll down. Go to settings and tap on the rest option. Go to settings and tap on the rest option. Then click on the factory reset option and proceed with it. Fix 2. Reconnect after forgetting the Wi-Fi network. For Android, swipe down from the home screen of your phone. Hold on to the Wi-Fi icon until you see the complete settings interface for the Wi-Fi connections available. Now select the Wi-Fi network that is not working and find the Forget option. After forgetting the network, find the same network again and connect to it again on your phone. Fix 3. Force restart your phone. Press and quickly release the volume up button on your iPhone. Now press and quickly release the volume down button. Afterward, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Wait for it to completely restart your iPhone, and then check whether the Wi-Fi is working or not. Fix 4. Turn airplane mode on and off. The Wi-Fi connection has some impact on airplane mode. Whenever you turn on airplane mode, the Wi-Fi turns off. So turning on and off the airplane mode on your phone might solve the problem. Fix 5. Disabling Wi-Fi networking services. To disable the Wi-Fi networking services, do the following. Open your mobile phone settings. Go to Wi-Fi and then tap on the gear option or icon next to the network. Then disable Wi-Fi network services. Afterward, check whether it is working or not. Fix 6. Update iOS system. Some iPhone users have an iOS update pending in the system, but they don't update their iOS system. One of the main causes of Wi-Fi not working is your iOS system not being updated. So if you have a pending update, update your iOS system immediately.
Thanks for watching.